ripe for human rights abuse and potential violations of India's obligations under international human rights law, particularly the obligation to respect, protect, and fulfill the rights to equality and non-discrimination, the rights to freedom of expression and freedom of association, and the right to liberty and security of person. The UN special procedures have already issued multiple communications on individual allegations of human rights violations in IIOJK, including arbitrary detention, extrajudicial killings, and forced disappearances, torture, ill treatment, intimidation, and reprisals. The sudden closure of the Jammu and Kashmir Human Rights Commission, which rendered people in the region with little legal recourse, is in seeking redressal and accountability for violation of their human rights and fundamental freedoms. The latest communication by the UN Special Procedures is a comprehensive document covering multifaceted human rights abuses in IIOJK under the cover of counter-terrorism laws. It indicts India on its human rights record and the grave situation in IIOJK. We urge India to bring an end to its repression of the Kashmiri people so that they are able to exercise their right to self-determination in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. I thank you.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारिजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच की हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग आपने मुलाहिज़ा की।